Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjilam Tamang. Today I bring for you all Dynamite Chicken Bites recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to at your work. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। आज भने मैले डाइनामाइट चिकन रेसिपीको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु भने तपाईँहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर घर परिवारसँगै मजाले इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। साथसाथै यो रेसिपीलाई तपाईँहरूले आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। यो डाइनामाइट चिकन बाइट्स रेसिपी crispy, juicy chicken toasted in that sesame, creamy, spicy dynamite sauce. Perfect for appetizer, slider, or sharing platters. Dynamite chicken bites ingredient 2 to 3 portion for chicken. 400 gram boneless chicken breast or thigh cut into bite-sized cubes. Half cup all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon paprika or chili powder, 1 egg plus 2 tablespoon cold water for batter. Oil for deep frying. For dynamite sauce, half cup mayonnaise, Kewpie mayo, perfect for richness. 2 to 3 tablespoon Sriracha, as spicy. 1 teaspoon honey or sugar, balance heat. 1 teaspoon lemon juice or rice vinegar. Pinch of garlic powder, optional. Method: prepare the sauce. Whisk together dynamite, sriracha, honey, lemon juice and garlic powder until smooth. Chill until ready to use. Prepare the chicken. Pat chicken dry. Mix flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper and paprika in one bowl. In another bowl, whisk eggs and water. Cut and fry. Dip chicken pieces in egg, then in flour mixture. Deep fry in oil at 170 centigrade to 180 centigrade, about 340 to 350 Fahrenheit, until golden brown and crisps, about 3 to 4 minutes. Drain on paper towel. Tossed in sauce. In a large bowl, add fried chicken and drizzle with the prepared dynamite sauce. Toss gently to coat evenly. Serve. Garnish with sliced scallion, sesame seed or chili flakes. Serve in small bowls, slider or skewer. Chef tips: keep sauce separately until just before serving to preserve crispness. For slider version, add lettuce, pickle and drizzle extra sauce on the bone. For a bolder kick, add a few drops of chili oil or cayenne pepper to sauce. Work great with the prawns, squid or tofu for variety. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there. And enjoy with your family friends. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ। जता जता हुन्छ स्वस्थ मस्त बेस्ट रहनुहोस् र आफ्नो लाइफलाई इन्जोय गर्नुहोस्। See you next in the video. Love you all.